When we talk about the amazing features of Next.js, we need to revisit that choice we had to make when creating a new project. At that point, we had to decide whether or not to use the app router. Now, the reason for that is simple. Next.js gives us two different ways to build applications, and that's mainly for historical reasons. We've got the Pages router and the app router. Regardless of which one you go with, you're always building a full-stack application. Pages are rendered on the server, and the find system is used to define routes. That part never changes.
The Pages router is the older approach. It's been around for many years, it's rock stable, and still widely used in real-world projects. With the Pages router, you can absolutely build powerful, feature-rich full-stack apps using React and Next.js. But then there's the app router. This is the newer way of building Next.js applications. It was introduced with Next.js 13, so not too long ago. It's officially stable now, but in my experience, it can still feel a bit rough around the edges. That said, it represents the future of Next.js. It unlocks a range of exciting new features, like React server components and server actions, which I'll walk you through in detail later in this course. So, in this course, we'll cover both approaches. But first, after our React refresher, we'll dive into the app router. And then we'll circle back to the Pages router. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of both, and you'll be ready to tackle any Next.js project, no matter which router it's built with.